Let's finish off the summer with one last dessert. We are making a classic peach cobbler, or I should say my classic peach cobbler, because to me, this is the ultimate version. Now you do need to peel some peaches, and I find the easiest method for this is to put your peaches into the freezer for 30 minutes, then take them out and let them sit on the counter for 5 minutes, and then the peel comes right off. The freezer does all the work for you. You don't have to worry about a water bath or any of that, and it's so easy. Then go ahead and slice your peaches into pretty thick slices. You don't want them too thin, and then set them aside. When ready, you're going to add all of your peaches to a small skillet, and we're just going to give the peaches a heads up. Cook really quickly with some sugar, a pinch of cinnamon, and a little bit of lemon juice, just long enough for those peaches to soften slightly. The sugar sort of dissolves into those peachy juices, and it just makes for the most delicious cobbler ever. Now, I do have a full recipe on this, and I will leave it linked below because it's just too good. I like a cake cobbler, so I make a very simple batter: flour, sugar, egg, milk, a little vanilla. Very simple. I don't prefer a crisp cobbler, so this for me is the ultimate. And while my oven's preheating, I take a stick of butter, I add it to my baking pan that I'm going to be baking this in, and I let that butter melt. Once melted, you're going to pour in your batter. Do not mix it, just leave it as is. Then carefully spoon over your peaches with all of their juices. Trust me, don't leave a single bit behind. It creates magic. And since I have some blackberries left over on the vine in the garden, I went ahead and added a couple of handfuls of fresh blackberries to this. I figured, why not? We are using up every bit of our summer produce, and it's just so exciting. I don't want any of it to go to waste. Take that out, pop it into a nice hot oven until golden brown, and it is perfection. It is begging to be served with a scoop of really good vanilla ice cream, and I am telling you, it is the ultimate cobbler. It is my favorite cobbler. I've been making it for years and years and years. Everyone raves about it because it really is sensational. It's spongy, it's soft, yet the fruit just kind of comes alive, and it is the ultimate to me. So I hope that before summer goes away, you make this cobbler, because pretty soon we'll be making lots of things with pumpkin and apples and all of that jazz. So let's soak this up. Hope you enjoy.